Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about designated router and backup designated router. Designated router and backup designated router DR and BDR are elected by routers. The DR and BDR will send topology updates to all routers in the same area. The DR and BDR are elected by the following basis. Router with the highest priority will be elected as the DR and the second highest priority will become the BDR. If it is the same for two or more routers, then the router with the highest router ID will be elected as the DR. The second highest router ID will become the BDR. Let's have an example network. Here we have 4 routers and a PC. So router 4's port, which is connected to PC 1, is down. So this information will be sent by router 4 to router 1 and router 2. So router 1 will send this information to all routers in that network. Here we have only router 3, so router 1 will send this information to router 3. If router 1 could not send this information to router 3, then router 2 will send this information to router 3. So now the routing information is sent to the DR and BDR using the multicast address 224.0.0.6, and the DR or BDR send the routing updates using the multicast address 224.0.0.5. So let me tell you what is a multicast address and also what is a unicast address. So what is a unicast address? As you already know, broadcast addresses are used to send information to all hosts in that network. But unicast addresses can be used only to send information to one host at a time. So let's have an example network. Here we have 4 PCs and a router. So the router is sending a packet to PC3 by using a unicast and unicast address. This is how unicast addresses are used. So next is the multicast address. It is used by devices to send information to a set of devices. As broadcast is used to send information to all devices, this is used to send information to a set of devices. So let's have an example. Here we have the same network, a router and 4 PCs. The router is sending 3 packets to 3 PCs. So at the same time. So the router is using a multicast address to do this. So now let's see about some commands. So by default the priority is 1. As I've already said, router with the highest priority will be elected as the DR and the second highest priority will become the BDR. So you can change the priority by giving the command IPOSPF priority and the value. You can use the command show IPOSPF neighbor to find the DR and BDR. So let's try these in our Cisco Packet Tracer. So open your Cisco Packet Tracer. So now I have a network with 3 routers and it is already configured with OSPF. So gigabit 0/0/0 of router 1 is connected to router 2 and gigabit 0/0/0 of router 2 is connected to router 1. Gigabit 0/0/1 of router 2 is connected to router 3 and gigabit 0/0/0 of router 3 is connected to router 2. Gigabit 0/0/1 of router 3 is connected to router 1's gigabit 0/0/1. So it is already configured with the IP addresses. So let me show you. So let me give show running config. So gigabit 0/0/0 which is connected to router 2 is configured with the IP address 10.0.0.1, and gigabit 0/0/1 which is connected to router 3 is configured with the IP address 30.0.0.2, and this router is configured with OSPF also. So let's go to router 2. Let's give enable show running config. So interface gigabit 0/0/0, which is connected to router 1, is configured with the IP address 10.0.0.2, and gigabit 0/0/1, which is connected to router 3, is configured with the IP address 20.0.0.1, and this router is also configured with OSPF. So let's go to router 3. So show running config. So gigabit 0/0/0, which is connected to router 2, is configured with the IP address 20.0.0.2, and gigabit 0/0/1, which is connected to router 1, is configured with the IP address 30.0.0.1, and this is also configured with OSPF. So now let's try the command to change the priority. This is an interface command, so let's go into an interface. Let it be gigabit 0/0/0. So the command is IP OSPF priority. So let's give the value as 2. So to verify this, let's go to router 2 and give IP OSPF neighbor. So it's show IP OSPF neighbors. So here you can see 10.0.0.1, which is the IP address of router 1, has a priority as 2. So now let's change gigabit 0/0/1 also to the priority 2. So now let's go to router 3 and give show IP OSPF neighbor. So here 30.0.0.2, the IP address of router 1, it has the priority of 2. So now let's see. Here we have BDR, so it has the priority of 1, and the router ID is 20.0.0.1, and the priority is 2 for router 1, so obviously it is the DR. So here you can see the DR and BDR. So today we have learned about DR and BDR. So please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.